wanted to get new latest RSS feed updates on my WhatsApp like this. And now here for this process, I have set up an amazing automation by connecting my RSS reader with an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chartflow, which automatically captures the new feeds and then send it as a new message on my WhatsApp number like this. So now here in this tutorial, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this amazing automation for getting RSS feed updates on your WhatsApp number as well. And for that, you need to access this amazing automation software by searching for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. I have already automated my entire business, that too for lifetime, because currently it is offering the lifetime deal at a very cost effective price. So go and get yours now. And for your reference, I have attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. Alright, so now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So now here to build a new connection, we're going to create a workflow first, and here you can see two methods. If you want, you can select create from scratch, or if you want to create it using AI, then select create using AI. For now, we're going to select create from scratch. Then here it is asking for a workflow builder. So again, you can see two options. One is new beta and the other one is classic. Beta version is modern, fast and more flexible. So we're going to select that. And then here it is asking for a workflow name. So I'm going to give the name as how to automatically get new RSS feed updates. Then for the folder, we're going to click on this drop down menu, and here you can see the multiple folders that I have with different names. So in this case, we're going to select it as automations. You can create and select it as per your requirement. Then we're going to create a workflow, and here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up our trigger. So here for the trigger, we are going to select our trigger as RSS reader by Pabbly. By using this, we are going to capture the new RSS feed available. And for the app event, we are going to select new item and feed. Then we're going to click on this connect. Here it is asking me for the feed URL. So it says enter the feed URL. Here this RSS trigger will check for the updated RSS feed at regular interval. So now here to get this feed URL, let me take you to the Hindu RSS feed. So this is the Hindu RSS feed, and here you can see some popular RSS readers categories. For now, we're going to select India because I want to capture the news for India only. Alright, we are going to copy the URL and we are going to add it over here. And then comes the filter type. So you can see the options such as default, different UID and different publish date. So for now, we're going to select the default one, and after adding the details, we are going to click on the save and send test request. But before that, let me tell you that RSS by Pabbly is a pooling based application. That means it is going to capture the new responses within a specific time period. Alright, so now we're going to click on the save and send test request, and as soon as you're going to do this, you are going to receive an instant response with the latest feed updated. Here you can see the title of the feed and then the link and some other details as well. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. Now after setting up the trigger, we are going to send the alert for the same on my WhatsApp number. And here to send the WhatsApp message, I'm going to use my WhatsApp communication platform as Pabbly Chartflow, but you can use it as Vati, Interact, WhatsApp by Essence, or WhatsApp Cloud API as well. Alright, let's select Chartflow over here, and for the app event, we are going to select send text message. Then we are going to build a connection. Here to build a new connection, we are going to select add a new connection, and then here it is asking for the API token. So to get the API token, you need to access Pabbly Chart from this all Pabbly apps window by clicking on the access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chartflow. So here you can see I've already connected my WhatsApp number inside my Chartflow account. To learn how you can connect yours, you can watch out the tutorial available on a YouTube channel for the the same. Alright, so now here to get the API and webhooks, we are going to select settings and then we are going to select API and webhooks. So this is the API token, we are going to copy it and we are going to add it over here. Then we are going to click on the save and you can see we are now successfully connected. So let's move forward. Here it is asking for the respond WhatsApp mobile number. So here I need to enter the number to whom I want to send this message. And as I've already mentioned that I want to get this alert notifications on my WhatsApp number. So I'm going to add my number. Alright, after adding my number, it is asking for a WhatsApp message. So I need to enter the message that I want to receive on my phone number. So let me add that. Alright, so this is the WhatsApp message and here now we are going to map the title and the link. So firstly we're going to map the title and then we are going to map the link for the same. Alright, so this is the message. Let's move forward. Here these fields are not required ones, so we're going to leave it blank. For the keys, we are going to turn on this map button and then we are going to leave this field blank as I don't want to add any keys over here. Alright, then we're going to click on the save and send test request. And you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully sent a new message on my WhatsApp number. So let's go and check it. And you can see we have received a new message over here with the same format and this new RSS feed updated. Let's click on the news link and you can see it has directed us to that particular news. So with this we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So we have selected a trigger as RSS by Pabbly and our action as Pabbly chat flow. So that we're going to receive a new feed update through our RSS feed. Then instantly it is going to send the update on my WhatsApp number via Pabbly chat flow. Alright, so these were the very simple steps to how to automatically get new RSS feed updates. Here instead of WhatsApp, you can connect your another communication platforms on which you want to receive the updates. Alright, now here if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you are planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then don't forget to use my special discount code that is available on your screens. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only this automation, you can create many more such automations with Pabbly Connect. If you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.